All right, guys, Jeff here, just going to give you the overview here. I've got an overcast day for me to do this overview, but I've got this V 200 watt flexible panel, and I love these that they're so versatile. You can use them in a lot of ways. You can actually just roll this thing up, take it with you. If you have any place flat surface, if you had to just roll it out on the ground, you could do that. Definitely during high noon sun, you could just roll it out right on the ground to help provide a little bit of a energy pickup. And even on this cloudy day, and it's like borderline going to rain on us here, I just wanted to show that even on a rainy day we can go ahead and generate some electricity. As you can see, 12.8 volts coming into this Renogy Rover charge controller, and it is showing that it is doing that. And if I wanted to power stuff up, I could actually wire this directly to power things up, maybe a cell phone charger, a tablet, or a laptop charger, or maybe a fan or some kind. But all in all, as you can also see, even on this overcast day, I am charging my battery. And inside here, let's go ahead and tip this forward so you can get an idea of what's going on here. Now, I do have a battery monitor on there, and you can see I'm pretty low, 7%, only reading 12.9 volts on that battery, which anybody that knows anything about lithiums will tell you that's really, really low. So sitting out here charging, it's exactly what needs to happen. But this is my own creation. This is a do-it-yourself solar generator, and I do have a 2,000 watt panel, or I'm sorry, inverter in here. But I also have down there is the powerhouse for this thing. I've got a 200 amp hour, actually I believe it's a 230 amp hour. Yeah, 230 amp hour lifetime PO4 battery that's being charged right now by that V 200 watt flat rollable panel. So even on a cloudy day, you can generate some electricity. Now, cloudy and windy, as we start to maybe blow away, can do that, and actually started to feel a little bit of some rain coming down. So we might cut this short, but I just wanted to show an overview. Even on a cloudy day, we can do some good in terms of generating some electricity and storing that in our makeshift, super easy to make up solar generator. So if you're in the market, you want to check out something like this do-it-yourself kit really honestly did not take that long to build, and very few components to make it happen. So anyway, one of the things I do like about these little flexible panels is that I'm able to store them this is the case that this, or the box that this one came in, and I'm able to just roll it back up and put it in there, and I could secure this any way I want. If I wanted to kind of waterproof this box, I could do that, but it does allow me to just transport this whole setup. And so I've got my little solar generator here. Obviously the bulk of that is in a 230 amp hour battery and an inverter, but this now can then just strap right to my case there, and I can now take this whole system with me and have that be as portable as you'd want it to be, to then generate power, store power, and utilize power that's in those stored batteries and whatnot. So anyway, if you're looking for a really good quality build for a do-it-yourself kind of project, this is a fun one to do. So check us out on the lowdown. Check it out.